My brother's coffin had been hijacked. Clearly they had taken control of the coffin.
George Stagg, brother of the hunger striker, was detained by Gardaí at the airport. He was later released and returned to the airport, where he tried, unsuccessfully, to get into the mortuary where his brother's body lay.
Bhí Conra le Corprinchis is G. Shomra, sa shunning in our Dear Hain, nor a Vagerlin few Shulis Jahan, ni Ramajane a Gwedge.
All of a sudden there was activity, and the coffin was taken out the back of the morgue, carried by 4 guards in uniform. We tried to push through the guards, but we were wasting our time, really. You know, there was about 100 Gardaí. The helicopter dropped down and put the coffin into it and flew it off into the distance and stole his body. Then I walked over to the superintendent who was there, and I asked him, where are they taking my brother's coffin? I want to follow it. And he refused to answer. I said, we're his family and we're entitled to have his coffin, to have his body in his coffin. And he wouldn't make any reply. So at that stage, I put my finger in his face. And I said to him, I'm telling you now, a day will come and I'll have him back. And I promise you that.